Welcome to Mar del Plata, Argentina's premier seaside resort and home to its very first golf course. From its humble beginnings as a fishing village to now captivating millions with its allure, Mar del Plata is the epitome of transformation. Embrace the sun on Bristol Beach, gaze upon the city from the historic Tor Tank, and shop till you drop on Gem Street. Experience the city's essence at the bustling Mar del Plata port. And as night falls, let the tango rhythms sweep you off your feet. Mar del Plata, a coastal gem where history, adventure, and passion collide. Join us and let's make waves in this Argentinian paradise. A city of firsts, Mar del Plata isn't just any beach town. It's Argentina's first seaside resort, established way back in the 19th century. And guess what? It's also home to the country's first golf course. So, whether you're a beach bum or a golf enthusiast, Mar del Plata has got you covered. From fishing village to tourist hub, this bustling city started its journey as a humble fishing village. Fast forward to today, and it's a magnet for tourists, drawing in millions every year with its charm. Talk about a glow up. Beach hopping. First on our list is, of course, the beaches. From the popular Bristol Beach to the serene Playa Grande, there's a sandy stretch for everyone. And if you're like me, always on the hunt for the perfect tan, then the sun-soaked beaches of Mar del Plata are your paradise. Visit the Tor Tank. For a bird's-eye view of the city, head to the Tor Tank. This historic water tower offers panoramic vistas that'll leave you spellbound. And here's a tip. Visit during sunset for a magical experience. Stroll down Gem Street. Shopping enthusiasts, rejoice! Gem Street is a haven for shopaholics. From artisanal crafts to high-end boutiques, there's something for every pocket. And when you're done shopping, indulge in some mouth-watering Argentinian delicacies at the local eateries. Explore the Mar del Plata port. Dive into the city's fishing routes by visiting the Mar del Plata port. Watch the fishermen at work, savor some fresh seafood, and if you're lucky, you might even spot some sea lions lounging about. Tango the night away. No trip to Argentina is complete without some tango. Mar del Plata boasts vibrant nightlife, with numerous clubs and bars where you can dance to the passionate rhythms of tango. Even if you have two left feet, give it a try. The locals are always eager to teach. As the sun sets on our Mar del Plata adventure, I hope you've fallen in love with this coastal gem as much as I have. From its golden beaches to its rich history, Mar del Plata is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. So, until our next escapade, keep that wanderlust alive, and remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Adios, amigos.